Knock Out Rusi. Today what are we going to do? It's peak summer, peak corona. We don't know how to manage all this and get ahead with this. So now let's see how we are going to break the heat. I'm going to teach you all to make a very spicy and very effective buttermilk. You might think, what is there in a buttermilk? But just try it and see, and you will love it. And one more thing is, I'm going to teach you all to make a ABC juice. You'll be wondering what it is. It's apple, beetroot and carrot. So let's get into making of this. So first, what do we need for the buttermilk? The mixie, half a teaspoon of jeera, one small piece of mango, one small onion, one small piece of ginger, a small tail piece of a green chili, a pinch of hing and a pinch of pepper powder, some curry leaves, coriander leaves, half a lemon. I squeeze the juice into this. Salt to taste. Just give it a run. Add little bit of water now. I'm just making 1 glass of buttermilk. I'm using about 30 ml of curd into this. Add in the balance water also into it. All the spices are all pounded well now. Our yummy buttermilk is ready. So now let's filter our buttermilk. This has been my secret recipe for a long time, which I'm sharing with all of you. So now I have 2 cubes of ice. And our yummy buttermilk. So now the ice cubes is there, and just see with what I'm going to garnish it, with some spicy KARA-BOONDI. You just try this and you will love it. And you got to have it just like this. So now we are going to get our ABC juice ready. I have 1 small sized beetroot. I've peeled the skin and made it into cubes, so that will go into it. 1 medium sized carrot, diced. 1 medium sized green apple, diced. Half a lemon. A pinch of JEERA powder. Few cubes of ice and little bit of water. And our yummy health drink is going to be ready. So we are almost done. So we are done. Our health drink is ready. Let's filter this now. You can drink it without filtering also. It's better to drink it without filtering. Juice. I'm showing the filtered juice. It's such a healthy drink, so full of nutrients. People who are dieting can skip their breakfast with 1 glass of this juice. So here is our health drink, the ABC. So we are ready to go, and that's our ABC juice. So we are done with our spicy buttermilk and our ABC juice. Friends, all of you try this, you'll enjoy it and you will really cool the heat. See you all soon in another exciting recipe. This is Patricia signing out from KNOCK OUT RUSI. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to press the bell icon.